Who knew a beetle could give a tractor a run for its money? These critters are the bodybuilders of the bug world. They can carry up to 850 times their own body weight. That's like you piggybacking an entire herd of cows. So, what makes them so strong? It's all in the exoskeleton and those mighty muscles. Imagine having a suit of armor that gives you super strength. That's our rhino beetle. But it's not just about brute force, and these beetles are nature's little engineers. With their powerful limbs and rugged exoskeleton, they can navigate tough terrains and handle heavy loads like champs. Next time you're out in nature, keep an eye out for these mini Hercules. So there you have it. The Rhinoceros Beetle, small but mighty and a true marvel of nature's design. So until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.